This breakdown should not have occurred. However, now that it has occurred, it is good opportunity for me to prove myself and also learn and sharpen my knowledge. I have good knowledge and excellent troubleshooting skill, as I have resolved many such breakdowns in past in very effective manner. I have very good observation skill and I know working algorithm of this machine, so I'll be able to resolve this current breakdown in quickest possible time. To quickly resolve and hand over machine, I follow basic to advanced sequence of troubleshooting. That is, I first start from basic level, which is less time consuming, and then gradually move to advanced level of troubleshooting. To avoid delay in case of doubt, I always re-refer manuals and discuss with OEM and fellow teammates before taking any decision of opening or replacing major assembly or parts. I have a good knowledge of all safety touch points to be taken care while attending this breakdown to ensure my safety, my people's safety and my machine safety. While troubleshooting, I have a good habit of focusing on finding different probable causes of breakdown, which enables me to identify root cause and help me in taking corrective actions to prevent its future occurrences.